Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Autozonepro mobile app works. Designed for repair shops and professional mechanics, Autozonepro helps streamline the process of finding, ordering, and managing auto parts directly from a mobile device. The app supports both iOS and Android and is only accessible to AutoZone commercial account holders. After logging in, users can search for parts by vehicle type, VIN, or keyword. The app displays local availability, price, and specifications, with the option to order and track deliveries. It also offers features like digital invoices, saved vehicles, repair guides, and access to purchase history for faster repeat ordering. The layout is built for speed, keeping tools just a tap away. Pros include faster parts lookup, real-time stock updates, and convenient mobile ordering. It eliminates phone calls to stores and reduces errors by verifying compatibility with saved vehicles. The app saves time for busy shops by centralizing key tools in one place. Cons involve occasional login issues, app freezing after updates, and saved data like vehicle history being reset. Some users have reported needing to re-authenticate more frequently than expected, which disrupts workflow. Recent feedback shows that mechanics appreciate the improved workflow and faster checkout process. One review mentioned it cuts ordering time in half during rush hours. Another noted frustration with inconsistent update performance but still found the app reliable overall. Autozonepro is a strong addition for professionals using AutoZone services daily. While a few bugs remain, its practical design and core functionality make it a helpful companion for shop operations. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.